Hi everyone, we're going to construct the slope field for the differential equation by drawing tiny segments through 12 lattice points. We have 2x plus y. Now basically on this graph here I have 15 lattice points. We want to go ahead and use 0 here. So basically we can start with negative 1. And how we're going to do it is we're going to start with x is negative 1. So we have dy dx equals 2 times negative 1. And then our y is you just plug in your y. We can start with negative 2 if you want. So we have negative 2. And we're just going to do 5 points here. So this is where x is negative 1. So we did our negative 2, do your negative 1, do your 0, 1, and 2. And then just evaluate this. So this is going to be negative 4, pretty steep slope. So there's that point. Let me make it a little steeper. So it's negative 4. At this one, we're going to get negative 3, so not as steep. At 0, we're going to get negative 2. At 1, we're going to get negative 1, so that's pretty much 45 degrees here. And at y equals 2, we're going to get 0, so that's a horizontal constant slope. So that's basically all you're doing. And now our next step is to use x is 0 and do the same procedure. So at x equals 0, we're going to have dy dx equals 2 times 0 plus y, 2 times 0, 2 times 0. I'm going to do this 5 times, 2 times 0. It's a little tedious. So we'll have negative 2, so it's plus a negative 2, plus a negative 1, plus 0, plus 1, and plus 2. And basically, you're just going to get your y value because our x is 0. So it's just going to be negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. All right, so let's plug those in. At negative 2, we have negative 2. So that's going to be kind of steepish. At negative 1, we have negative 1, so that's 45 degrees there. At 0, we have 0. At 1, we have 1. And at 2, it's a little steeper. All right, and for the last one, we're going to look at x is 1. So for x is 1, we get dy dx equals 2 times 1. And I'll just keep writing this 5 times. All right. So let's see. For this one, we're going to get minus 2, minus 1, plus 0, plus 1, and plus 2. So this is going to give you 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So let's look at this. This is going to be flat here. Excuse me. We're going to have a slope of 1. Get steeper, and steeper, and steeper. Make this a little steeper. And if you just look at this, this is your 12 lattice points, or you could add the ones we did here. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.